Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you're doing well. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use filters and controls in Google Data Studio, now called Looker Studio. These tools help make your reports interactive, allowing users to explore data based on their own preferences. First, open your report in Google Data Studio and make sure your data source is already connected. To add filters and controls, click on the Insert menu at the top of the screen. You'll see several options like Filter Control, Date Range Control, and Dropdown List. To add a filter control, select Filter Control, then click anywhere on your report canvas to place it. After adding it, choose the dimension you want users to filter by, such as country, product category, or customer type. This allows anyone viewing the report to quickly filter and view only the data they need. Next, you can add a date range control. This lets you users select a specific time period, such as last 7 days, last month, or a custom date range. This is especially useful for reports that track performance over time. You can also customize your controls by adjusting their size, style, colors, and placement to match your report design. If you want filters to affect multiple charts, make sure the charts are connected to the same data source. Once everything is set up, preview your report and test each control to make sure it works properly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use filters and controls in Google Data Studio to create more interactive and user-friendly reports. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.